Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY by Rev Explorers. I am Abhinav Bhatnagar and today we are going to install this NaoEvo LED headlights in my car. By the way, the socket of this LED headlight is 9005 and these sockets are usually found in cars which have dual headlights. I mean, every car has a pair of headlights, but in one headlight there are two headlights. So one for low beam, one for high beam. HB3 or 9005 or 9004 are used in cars which have dual headlights. So earlier we did unboxing and installation of the H4 LED headlights. If you haven't watched it yet, the link will be right over here. We did it on i20. For most of your cars which have just single headlight bulb, it will be the same. So you can watch that video if you have an H4 socket. If you have a 9005 socket, like my Civic, let's get installing. So we are here at Anand Auto to install the NaoEvo LED headlights. Why I have to go to the service center? Because to install the headlamps or replace the headlamps of Honda Civic, you have to remove the front bumper to access the headlamp unit. Once the bumper is out of the way, we will remove the 3 bolts securing the headlamp unit. Once the bolts are out, we can unplug the sockets and the complete headlamp unit is free now. I had a choice of installing these LEDs in my low beam or my high beam. I chose to put it in my high beam because of 2 reasons. First is, high beams are not used continuously and hence it will put less load on my battery and draw less current, obviously. Second is, because these are high intensity bulbs, if I put it in low beam, it will be very distracting and annoying for the oncoming traffic. First we remove the existing LED in the high beam and now we remove the rubber cup. Now as you can see, the mounting plate of the LED is still in the headlight casing. So we are going to open the mount and remove that plate. Now we install the new LED's mounting plate first and then tighten the casing plate over it. Let's install the LED now and adjust it to be parallel to the vertical lines in the headlight. So you can freely rotate it 360 degrees to be parallel, and that's it. We install the rubber cup and the complete headlight unit back on the car, and similar steps are going to be followed for the other side of the headlamp as well. Remove the old LED, put in the new one, and then install the complete headlight unit and the bumper back on the car. And it's time to test the NaoEvo LED headlights. Low beam, high beam. And that is how bright these 90 watt LED bulbs are, and hence I installed it on my high beams so that I can use it in pitch dark conditions. You can get it too from the link in the comment or in the description, and it is going to be 2500 per pair if you buy 4 pairs, else it is going to be 10,000 rupees per pair. And whether it is 2500 or 10,000, I feel it is worth it because it is super bright, it is good quality, the finish and make is absolutely fine, and you see the brightness. It's too much. This is low beam, this is high beam. You see the difference between the two. With that said, our video has come to an end. I hope this DIY was helpful for you, and do not use high beam in the city. It is very distracting for the oncoming traffic. I hope you understand it. Share this with everyone and spread awareness. We are also on Instagram. You can follow us there, and you are already watching it on YouTube, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you never miss out any update from us. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.